Welcome to Mechanic. Today we have a 2015 Audi Q7, and on this vehicle we're going to show you how to be able to manually open up your trunk. So say you have no power to the vehicle, or your actuator is maybe malfunctioning or whatnot. There is a manual method, a way you can crawl through the cabin area to be able to unlock and open up your trunk. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So you'll need to come in through the back here, or access from one door to get in. And then as you come back here, you're going to see there's a little cover here. We just need to kind of pop that up, the screwdriver, and you see that little white tab in there. You just push that down, and that unlocks the trunk. So that unlocks the trunk, so then you can open it up on this Audi Q7. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.